What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today we got some 3DS games that I bought on eBay. These are broken. I've never attempted to fix 3DS games before. If they're anything like DS games, I can get them going. I'm gonna go ahead and open the box here so you guys can see what I got. I haven't opened it yet. Here's the box, still sealed. So let me go ahead and open that now. Then I'll show you stuff that I use and whatever it be. It's up here. There's stuff to grab it from. I don't know if I gotta need to open it on the other side. That's a weird box. Right, let's open it this way. Alright, here we go. So, packaged pretty well. They're all in bubble wrap. There's some good games in this lot. I paid quite a bit for this lot. I think it was, let me see, I think it was 2 something. Hold on, guys, let me get my tablet. Yeah, guys, it was $249.95 plus shipping and taxes and stuff. So let's say about $260 something. But there's, like I said, there's a bunch of good games. So let's see if we can get any of these going. Now, what I use to fix the old DS games is a screwdriver, straight edge, preferably a small. Let's see if it'll focus. That's a small straight edge screwdriver. I'm gonna use Brasso to clean the contacts, and then after I clean the contacts, I clean them up with some alcohol. So let's grab a game, throw it into the 3DS first, and see what it does. So here's a Monster Hunter. That doesn't look dirty at all, which is kind of concerning for me. Yeah, it's very strange. Let's go back. So you can see that one does absolutely nothing. Like I say, very concerning. Usually when they're not working well, when the contacts aren't perfect, I see if there's any signs of it being open before. Usually you crack them open right here, and that does look like it's been open before. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Right there. Let me get my screwdriver so I can point it to you guys. Right there. You see that? It does look like it was open. So let's skip that one. Grab another one. Here's a monkey ball. Let's check that. That one doesn't look like it's been open. Pins look good. That's the problem with these. If the pins all look good, I don't know what could be wrong with them. The only thing I can think of is that they got water damage or something. We'll open one up and see how bad it is, but this one doesn't look like it's gonna play either, so let me see. Yeah, nothing at all. So let's go ahead and open this one, or see if I can open it. Let me see. Like I say, I've never done this before on 3DS, so hopefully this is a method we can use to pop it open. I really don't know. Alright. So yeah, it's very similar to the DS. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I'm not showing you what I'm doing. But yeah, I've already popped it open. Part of it open. I'm already getting into the chip there. Alright, so there is 3DS chip, like I say. Looking at it, it's a little dirty, but nothing horrible. I don't understand why this one wouldn't work. Let's go ahead and give it a little clean with the Brasso. What you do is you just grab a little bit of Brasso. Excuse me. Oh, I need to sneeze. And you want to grab and just clean it off. If a lot of junk comes off, that's good. That means the brass was doing its job. So there's the Q-tip. Maybe that'll make a difference. Like I said, we'll scrub her off all the contacts. Give it a good wipe down. And then we'll use the alcohol on the other side of the Q-tip. And just get it. Just get the Q-tip a little wet. Grab the game again. And make sure to take all that off. Again, just rubbing it off. Alright. I don't know if this is going to work, guys, but like I said, I've done this to DS games. I fixed the Zelda and a couple of other games doing this method. And then afterwards, we're going to have to super glue that spot right there. But it looks okay. Who knows? It's worth a try. Hey, look at that. So there it is, guys. There's one working right there. And we'll just put a dab of super glue on that little corner there to keep the case from breaking open again. But yeah, there you go. That's how you fix a 3DS game that is not working. Yeah, let's go on to another one. The first one we saw. Man, how do you go back home? This is new to me. Oh, there it is. Okay. So that one's going. That is awesome. So basically, it's the same concept. You saw me open it open. Get me open with this thing, with the screwdriver, and right there again. Basically the same method as working on DS games. Let's check this one out again and see how bad those contacts look. Okay, let's try this one. Gotta be gentle. Try not to hit the board when you're doing this. It's kind of a push up deal. Once you kind of pop it open, make sure you're not hitting that board at all. You don't want to ruin the board by popping it open. I'm like pushing up. I think that's far enough to where I can just pop it open with my fingers. Yeah. Alright, so here is the Monster Hunter one. Just got that popped open. And here's the Monster Hunter. Those contacts look good. I don't think this method is going to repair every single game that's in here. I seriously doubt it. But who knows? Maybe I get them all working. There's some Pokemon games in here, guys. So that would be great if I can get the Pokemon games working. I'll try to do this so where you guys can see what I'm doing a little closer. Like I said, just rub the contacts down. If they're really, really corroded, you might have to use very, 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 very fine sandpaper. And let's see. So there it is. There's some damage crud or whatever that gets in there. Games get dirty. It's kind of like the Nintendo and also the Super Nintendo. All the cartridge-based games they get a lot of junk in there, and that causes the contacts not to make a good connection, and the game will not play. So let's go ahead and get some alcohol and see if we can get this one working as well. Hold on real quick, guys. Okay, had to go come back real quick. I think I'm gonna need some more Q-tips, guys. That's what I was going for. Went to go do something and I forget something. Anyways, here we go with the second game, which is the Monster Hunter. All right, put it back in its case. The pins go down, guys, just in case you're wondering. Make sure it fits in there first. Down to sit. Yeah. All right. Like I say, we'll end up super gluing that little area there. And here goes nothing. Oh yeah, baby, check that out. Monster Hunter's working. So that's 2 for 2. These 2 games did not work, and now they are. I don't know what it's asking me. I'm just trying out the game. So it's Capcom up there. Remember to take breaks while playing the video game. Yeah, sure. I've always wanted to play this one. It's got a save file? It's got a save file on there. Oh, cool. Awesome. Alright, let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna grab one of the Pokemon games. Let's see what it does. So let me dig through the pile here. You know what? I'll just show you the rest of the games because I'm not going to do these all live. There's Tamagotchi Life. We got, I guess, Nintendogs. Here's a good one. Super Mario 3D Land. There's another Monster Hunter. This one is the one we fixed earlier. Monster Hunter 4. We got Monster Hunter 3. Super Street Fighter. Spider-Man. I'm gonna run. Okay, I found a Pokemon. So let's do this one. Ultra. Was that Ultra Moon? Oh, that's Omega Ruby. Okay. Here are the pins on Omega Ruby. That one looks really good. I don't know, guys. These probably aren't gonna work. But we'll give it a whirl. So yeah, you can see there's no game inserted. You could hear that it clicked in. I'm not tricking you guys. Okay, let's go back. Let's do the same process. We're gonna pop it open. Make sure your screwdriver is very thin so you can get in between those clips and pop up. So it's giving me issues. Alright, I heard it pop open. Yeah, there it goes. Remember, guys, push upward. There it goes. Upward, upward, upward. Make sure you're not hitting that motherboard or cartridge. Don't want to break that. Alright, I think we've gotten far enough to where I can pop it open with my hands. Maybe. This one's stubborn. Really stubborn. There is some force involved. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep going with a screwdriver here till the end. Because you don't want to come up. There it goes. Okay, as far as you've gotten that far, you can always just pull it. Don't pull it all the way, guys, because then you're going to completely pop it apart. That way you still got a good connection down here in the bottom. I'll show you. Right there, there's still a good part that's holding. And then when you super glue it, a little bit right there, it's going to hold completely. Alright, let's look at the Pokemon. Yeah, that doesn't look like it's messed up at all. We'll give it a whirl. Let's give it a shot. Grab some Q. Just in case you're wondering, I usually just grab what's around the brasso ring. I press the bottle. Stuff will come up to the top. And that's enough to, more than enough to clean the cartridge. Alright, let's grab the cartridge again. Okay. Here we go. Hopefully it's just dirty. This is a good one. Yeah, it's dirty. It's not as dirty as the other games. You can see this Q-tip didn't come out that dirty at all. And the other ones, like that was the other one, like super dirty. So who knows? This one might not be repairable. I don't know. Contacts look good to you guys? They look okay. Alright, let's give it a bath. We got our alcohol. If you get too much alcohol on the Q-tip, just squeeze it. Squeeze the excess alcohol out of it. Although I've never really had alcohol damage a game before, so just get all that stuff off. Give it a little wipe down to try to dry it off a bit. I don't know, guys. I'm not feeling confident about this one, but let's see. So if this one works, I'm just going to show you the rest of the games. Yeah, that doesn't feel right. Yeah, it's not sitting. There it is. Okay. Grab our 3DS. And show me potato salad. No. Yeah, I had a feeling about this one. I'm going to try and do the... Off camera, I'm going to try and do the sandpaper. Or we're going to get a close-up view on this. See how bad it looks. So I didn't see anything wrong with it. She looks clean. I will do the sandpaper trick. You know what? Let me go do that real quick. Alright, this is not the ideal sandpaper I usually have in squares. I don't have any. This is from my machine. So, just gonna go, I don't know if you guys can see that. Just gonna go over the contacts. Nice and smooth. No pressure. I mean, no. You're not trying to completely destroy the contacts. It's just a smooth rub. You can kind of hear it. Alright, that should be enough. Let's get our Q-tip. Wipe it down. Let's get some more alcohol on it, on a Q-tip. Wipe her down. Get all that, whatever I just did off of it. Alright. Let's see the chip. That's a little bit of alcohol in there. Everything else looks good. My eyesight's going, guys, but everything to me looks okay there, so let's try it again. Here we go. Let's pop her open. Did I put it in there right? Yes, I did. Alright, she is back together. Let's give it one more go before we move on to... Nope. So something is wrong with this actual cartridge. Yeah, no game. So 2 out of 3 so far I was able to fix, but I just don't see any problems with that board. I might go over it with a little more harsh sandpaper, or do it again with that sandpaper. You know what? We're here. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Let's see if I can get this thing going. I think everything looks good. Okay, let's do it again. Get that out of the way. I'm gonna be a little more aggressive this time. Putting a little bit more pressure. Let's put my finger where Okay, give it the wipe down with the alcohol. Like I say, I don't see why it wouldn't work. There's just times where I've seen like games that look brand new and I haven't been able to fix them. I am not an expert at this, guys. I didn't go to school for any of this. This is stuff that I've learned over the years on how to repair. There are more skilled guys on YouTube. You want to check out their channels and see what they do to get these running after they've tried cleaning them. I would suggest that. This is just me trying to get my games working. You know. It's sitting there? No, it's not sitting there, right? So there it is. I even hear it click. So no, it pop back out. It's got to sit in there, right? If it doesn't, it's not gonna. See, it's not sitting. One side sits, the other side doesn't. Maybe that could be an issue trying to test it, but I don't think so. I didn't hear the game come on. No. So for whatever reason, this one game will not work. I'm gonna put that one aside. There's another Pokemon here that I want to do on camera. Oh, that's an Omega. Okay, let's grab this one instead. Here's a... Man, my eyesight's gone. Sapphire? Contacts look great, so this might be another one like that one. Oh, check that out. This one works. I don't have to do anything to it. Sweet. Oh. Okay. That's not good. I don't know how to fix that. Whenever I've seen this error on a DSi, I thought it was the well, I would fix it with the Wi-Fi. I've never seen that on 3DS. Now I'm gonna have to shut the console completely down. Okay, that's crazy. If you guys know how to fix that, let me know in the comments below. I've never seen that on 3DS. Should we pop it open or just give it a quick wipe down with alcohol? Let's see what it does with a quick wipe down of alcohol. I don't recommend you guys doing this. I'm just gonna get a little bit of alcohol and with my fingers I'm gonna rub it on the contacts here and then try it that way. Don't recommend this, guys. Don't recommend this. Use that trick at your own risk. It says an update is available for this title. Launch it while connected to the internet. Okay. Interesting. We got a little further. Nope, there it goes. An error has occurred. Hold down the power button. Okay, so we didn't get this one going. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you the rest of the games, guys. Too bad 2 of the high-end ones do not work. So like I say, there's an Omega. There is another... Man, I can't even see those little letters. Puzzle Dragons? What the hell is that? The Top 100? Is that a pirated game? Mario Party The Top 100. I've never heard of that. I'll look that up. Pet Dragon. We got another Monster Hunter Generations. That's a good one. Kirby. Angry Birds. Ooh, another nice one. Zelda. This will end the video, guys, once I'm done showing you guys all the games. The Sapphire. SpongeBob, that's a good one. Another Kirby. Ninjago. Naruto. We got Lego Harry Potter. Man, there's a bunch of games. If I can get most of these working, I'll be super ecstatic. Spider-Man. Scribble Knots. Here's another good one. That one you can tell is beat up. So that might be a good product for fixing. Same thing with this one. Totally beat up. Yeah, those are, hopefully they'll work with a good cleaning. Those are good candidates. We got another Pokemon X. Another good one, Smash Brothers. We got another Nintendogs. We got Pac-Man 2. Another Spider-Man game. Few more left. Pilot Wings. Oh, here's another Smash Brothers. Alright. Yokai Watch. Eh. Ooh. Sticker Mario. Another Monster Hunter. And the last one is Pokemon X. Alright guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Hopefully you guys can fix some of your games with this method. And appreciate you guys watching. And we'll catch you next time.